Welcome back to Crafty Creations. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for you, followed by a short video of what I got at my local thrift store and the items that I'm going to be using in some upcoming DIYs, and I wanted to show you those so that when I start doing DIYs that you knew where I got them. So the first thing I'm going to show you today is my Dollar Tree haul, and it is mainly patriotic stuff. I think maybe all of it is patriotic stuff. Anyways, I had to go to 4 different Dollar Trees because not all the Dollar Trees have all the same stuff. So I'm going to show you what I got at all 4 Dollar Trees. The first Dollar Tree I went to, I looked and looked and looked and I looked, and I was looking for some patriotic stuff, and I couldn't find any, and I was kind of irritated that I'd driven all the way over there and they didn't have any patriotic stuff. And then I turned around and they had a little end cap, and that's all they had of patriotic stuff. And I was like, really? That's all you have of patriotic stuff? Because I'd seen all these other ladies haul these fabulous things from the Dollar Tree, and I was like, this Dollar Tree, that's all they have. So I got a few things, so I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to be decorating my whole backyard because we have a huge 4th of July party. So I got these pinwheels, and they come in 2 different varieties. You get the red one. Actually, it comes in 3 different varieties. I'm sorry. It comes with this red one. It's got the flag on it. And then I got this blue one with the flag on it. And then I've got this one that's mainly blue on this side with a flag on the outside. And then this side is flag too, and it's pinwheel, so it'll blow in the wind. And then I got another one of the red ones. And then they had another variety, which were these stars. And so I got, I think 5 of those. And they're all the same. And so I'll just put those all around my pool. And then I got this. It's a flag that goes on one of those garden stakes. And I'll hold it up close. It just says Home of the Brave. My husband is a veteran, and so I saw this one. They had several different varieties, but I liked this one the best. I thought this one was really fitting for us. So I got that so we could put it on our garden stake in our yard. So that was all that they had at the first Dollar Tree that I went to. At the second Dollar Tree I went to, they had a whole shelf full of stuff. So I found a whole bunch of goodies, and I'll show you what I found. The first thing that I found, move my sack over, is this cute little burlap sign that has stars on it. And then the next one I got is just plain stars. So it's just the red, white, and blue stars. And I got 2 of those. Those would be great for DIYs. And then I found this sign that says God Bless America, and it matches those yard stakes. And then they also had this In God We Trust sign, and it's galvanized. And this one says In God We Trust as well, and it's a star. And then I got another one of these signs. This says, I love the USA, home of the brave, 4th of July. So, and it's real glittery, and I thought that was really cute. Then I also found these signs. This one says God Bless America, and I thought that was really cute. I liked how aged that looked. And then this one, I liked how it looks like a wooden sign. It says Proud to be an American. I thought that was really cute. And then The last thing I got at the second Dollar Tree that I went to was this sign. It says Liberty, Blessings, America, America, Land of the Free, USA, 4th of July, Freedom, God Bless America, United, Stars and Stripes, Forever, USA. So it's just a big sign with just various phrases that have to do with patriotic holidays. Okay, so that's what I got at the second Dollar Tree. Then I went to the third Dollar Tree, and I decided to get some flowers that are red, white, and blue. So I got some carnations and some dahlias, I think is how you say it, that were red. And then I got some lilac and some spring bouquet that were blue. And then I got some baby's breath and some carnations that were white so that I could use those in a DIY that I'm going to be showing you. And then I also got, don't fall. I also got another wreath form. And then I hit the jackpot. I found these scarves, and I thought they were so cute. And they have different prints, but this one was my favorite. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these because I'm going to be doing a DIY with these scarves. So I wanted the same one. So I got 4 of those. And then my daughter got this letter set, which I don't think she remembers that I have it. And then for my 4th of July party, I went ahead and got some napkins before they run out. I got this kind, which is just the American flag, and then this kind, which is just stars. So I got 5 packages of that. Then I went to my 4th Dollar Tree, and I then felt really stupid for what I bought at the 3rd Dollar Tree, but I'm going to use it all, so it's fine. I went and they have flowers that are already combined. And let me show you what I mean. So they have this patriotic bouquet is what they call it. So these are carnations. So they have 2 red, 2 white, and 2 blue all in one thing. But that's okay because you can never have too many flowers. So I got 2 of those, carnation ones. And they did not have these at the last store. So that obviously that's why I got the ones I got. And so I got roses that are the same. The red, white, and blue. And then I got these, which are daisies, I think. It doesn't say, it just says patriotic bouquet. So I got 2 of those as well. So I was very excited when I saw them all together. I'll definitely be using those. Then I found this table scatter that I thought was so cute. So I got 4 packages of these. Oh, they were so cute. So I got those, and those. And then they had bandanas, and I thought they were so cute. So I got two come in a package, but I got 2 of them. So I have 4 bandanas. The first one is just a flag. It's just like a flag. And then the bottom side one is like just like a regular Western bandana. So they're the same. So I have 2 of the flag ones and 2 of the Western color one. I thought these would be really cute for some upcoming DIYs. I got a few other things, but I just wanted to show you the patriotic things that I find so that when you're headed to the Dollar Tree, you'll know what to be looking for. Thanks for watching my Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned, and you will see my thrift store haul right now. Okay, this is what I got from the thrift store for $20. First thing I got was this small plate. It was half of 99 cents. Then I got this bigger plate. It was half of $1.91. And then I got this microwave dish, which is even bigger, which is half of— Then I got this L for my daughter because her name starts with an L. Then I got this little thing, and it's probably for a cat or dog dish. But I'm going to put some pot, I'm going to paint it and put some pots in it. And it was $2.92. And then I got this little pumpkin. It is so cute. It's like a little candle holder. It's a little pumpkin to use next Thanksgiving. It was half of $2.42. And then I got this cute basket, which was half of 99 cents. Then I got this caboodle. And if you were around in the 80s, you know what a caboodle is. I got it for my daughter. And it was $2.92. Then I got this wooden tray, and it was $3.93. And then I got this cute little window with a circle in the front. It's so cute because it'll hang on the wall, and it was $4.94. And then I got this cute little candle holder with a spider for Halloween. And it was half of $1.91. And then I got this wire basket, which I already know what I'm going to make with it. And it is half of $1.91. And then I got this really adorable bird cage that you can hang. And it opens. And it's got these flowers on it. And I already know what I'm going to do with it too. And it was half of, oh no, it was $1.91. And then, last but not least, I got this. It's a football stadium. It's decoration for when you have a Super Bowl party, and it was half of $4.94. And then I go up there, and my total was $40 with tax. And the lady said, on your rewards card, you have a 50% off coupon. Would you like to use that now? And I'm like, yes, I would. So my total came to $20 with tax. So I got all of this stuff for $20, and they're going to make some really, really cute crafts. So stay tuned to my channel. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all that I'm going to do with the stuff I got. So thanks for watching my Dollar Tree haul, my thrift store haul. If you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you would join my family and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.